Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 1.4 from the chapter decimals. In this exercise you are going to learn to add the decimal numbers and subtract the decimal numbers. Let us start with addition. Here already the numbers are arranged, just we are going to do the addition. Okay, see the number 9, 3.87, 61.45. Here 9 is the whole number, that is no decimal place. So for the here we can put 0. Here in the remaining numbers 2 decimal places are there, so we can add 2 zeros for 9. Now from the second decimal place we have to start. Here we are having 2 decimal places. From the last place we have to start the addition. Here 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. So 12 we have to write 2 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Here 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Before that we have to keep the decimal point here. Then we have to add the whole number part. First we have to add the decimal part, after that whole number part. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. Again a 2-digit number. So we have to write 4 here, 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 6, 7. So the answer is 74.32. A normal addition, but here according to the place values we have to start. Here decimal place and whole number part. Okay. Here the next number 4.7, 2.8, 165.15. Here alone, in the last number alone we are having 2 decimal places. So here for the first 2 we can add zeros here. Okay. Listen, 0 plus 5, 5. Then 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. So we have to write 6 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Before going to add the whole number part, we have to keep the decimal point. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. So we have to write 2 here, 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 6, 7. Here 1. So 172.65 is the answer. 172.65. See the third problem. Here 8.71, 126.3, 146.012. Here we are having 3 decimal places. So here we can add 0, here 2 zeros. Now we will start the addition. Here 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Here 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So we have to put 0 here, 1 carry over to the next place. Before that we have to keep the decimal point. Here 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 is a 2-digit number. So 1 here, 2 carry over to the next place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Here 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 281.022. Was it clear? Then the next question, arrange in columns and add. Now we are going to arrange the given decimal numbers in columns. After that we have to do the addition. Here according to the place values we have to arrange the decimal number. Here the first number is 6.428, 16.0416, 310.1842. The first number is 6.428. Here the second number is 16. So tens place here, ones place here, then decimal point, then first decimal place 0, 4, 1, 6. Then the third number 310 is a 3-digit number. So 310.1842. Like this we have to arrange the decimal numbers first. After that we have to do the addition. Okay. Here we have to start with the last place. 6 plus 2, 8. Here 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So 3 here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. So 5 here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then we are going to add the whole number part. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. So 2 here. 1 is the carry over to the next place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Here 3. So the answer is 332.6538. Is it clear? The next question, 4.1, 6.93, 0.487, 7.48. First we have to arrange the given decimal numbers. 4.1, 6.93, 6 is a 1-digit number, then 9 is the first decimal place and 3 is the second decimal place, and 0.487, then 7.48. Now we have to add the numbers. Here 7, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 8, 19. 19 is a 2-digit number, so we have to write 9 here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Again a 2-digit number. So we have to write 9 here. 1 carry over to the next place. Now we are going to add the numbers in whole number part. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Here no more numbers to add, so we can write the 2-digit number here. So the answer is 18.997. Okay. Then the next sum is 9 plus 9.9, 9.99, 9.999. First we have to arrange the number. 9 is the whole number. Here we have to put 0 for decimal part. Then 9.9. Then the third number is 9.99 and 9.999. Now we have to add. We have to start from 1000 place. Here 9 alone is there. 9 plus 9, 18. A 2-digit number. So we have to write 8 here. 1 carry over to the next place. Here 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Plus 1, 28. So 8 here. 2 carry over to the next place. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point. Here 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 2, 38. So the answer is 38.889. Was it clear? Now we are going to subtract the decimal numbers. Here already the numbers are arranged, just we are going to subtract. Here in the first number we are having 3 decimal places. In the second number 2 decimal places is there. So we can add 1 0 here. 4 minus 0, that is 4. 4 minus 8, the first number is a smaller number. From the smaller number we can't subtract the greater one. So we have to borrow from the next number. 5 will become 4. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Then we have to keep the decimal point. Whole number part is 0. So the answer is 0.164. Okay. The next one. In the first number we are having 2 decimal places. Like that in the second number also 2 decimal places are there. So let us start the subtraction. 3 minus 4. 3 is the smaller number. We can't subtract 4 from 3. So we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 4, that is 9. 8 minus 0, that is 8. Now we are going to subtract the numbers which are in whole number part. Before that, we have to keep the decimal point. 4 minus 9. Here also 4 is the smaller number, so we can't do the subtraction. We have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9, that is 5. Then in tens place 0, in hundred place 3. So the answer is 305.89. Okay. The next number 16.0, 2.643. Here in the second number we are having 3 decimal places. So first we have to make it as like decimals. Now 0 minus 3, from 0 we can't subtract 3. So we have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 10. Now we have to subtract. 10 minus 3, that is 7. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 6, 3. Before subtracting the whole number part, we have to keep the decimal point. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 1. So the answer is 13.357. Was it clear? Next question. Arrange in columns and subtract. First we have to arrange the given decimal numbers. After that we have to subtract. The first number is 3.251. Here the second number is 1.466. According to the proper place value, first we have to arrange the decimal numbers. Okay. Now we have to start with thousandth place. 1 minus 6. Here 1 is the smaller number. So we can't do the subtraction. We can't subtract 6 from 1. So we have to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. 1 will become 11. 11 minus 6, we will get 5. Here 4 minus 6. Again 4 is the smaller number. So we have to borrow from 2. 2 will become 1. This 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6, we will get 8. Here 1 minus 4. Again 1 is the smaller number, we can't do the subtraction. So we have to borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. This 1 will become 11. 11 minus 4, we will get 7. Then we have to keep the decimal point. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1.785. Okay. Then the next number 3.91 and 1.424. 3.91, here we are having only 2 decimal places. In the second number we are having 3 decimal places. For that here we have to add 1 0. Now 0 minus 4, we can't subtract 0 from 4. So we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. Here this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here again 0 minus 2. Here we can't subtract 2 from 0. So we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 8 minus 4, 4. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the answer is 2.486. Okay. Then the next number is 709.003. Here 614.8. In the second number we are having only 1 decimal place. So we have to add 2 zeros to make the decimals like decimals. Now we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 8. 0 is the smaller number. From 0 we can't subtract 8. So we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 8 minus 4, 4. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract 1 from 0. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6. The 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here 6 minus 6, 0. So the answer is 94.203. Okay, the next number 1 minus 0.053. Here 1 is the whole number, that is no decimal place. Here 1, then the second number is 0.053. But in the second decimal number we are having 3 decimal places. To make these two numbers as like decimals, we have to add 3 zeros here. After that we have to do the subtraction. Here 0 minus 3, we can't do the subtraction, so we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0, here the 0 will become 9, this 0 will become 9, this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9. And then we have to keep the decimal point. Here 0 in whole number part, 0. So the answer is 0.947. Was it clear, children? First we have to arrange the given decimals properly. After that we have to do the subtraction. Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.